Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Wurlitzer Lean. Obviously, you already need to know how to do a Wurlitzer, link in the description below, and any experience with any kind of lean is going to be useful but not necessary. Okay, so let's show you the move. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Let's break it down. We'll come over this side so you can kind of see what's going on while you join in at the same time. So it's a two-handed move. So it starts out just like a normal Wurlitzer. We come in, flatten the left, we send the lady out into the prepare as usual, and guys, we're going to make just enough space so that we can wrap the lady in just a second. We want a wider stance than usual, guys, because in a minute we're going to transfer the weight and we don't want to be moving our feet once we take the lady off balance. So we're going to start lady towards us almost like we were wrapping into a basket, but we're then going to go high with the hand, which means the lady hasn't got a barrier to stop her. We can then go low with the hand and bring her in on the second rotation. So we want the right arm on the lady, around the lady's waist, hand on the far hip. We want weight on our right leg, guys, and we want contact, so we want the lady to actually be in contact with that leg. You could take the hand at the front or not. I'm going to take it because it's safer, and guys, you really want that left foot out at this point, so we hold the lady in tight, and all you do is transfer the weight across from the right leg to the left leg. Now, the safe option for the lady is to step over you with her right, which means at this point Karen isn't really putting a heck of a lot of weight on me, and it's going to be very easy for me to just shift the weight back to send her back onto her own feet. So that's the safe option. Release with the left hand, roll the lady out, we're back into a Wurlitzer prepare, and we get the spin and catch as usual. So starts and ends like a Wurlitzer. Now as the ladies are ready for the lean, stepping over means they can do quite a significant lean without actually putting any kind of reliance on the guy to make sure they don't drop. The hand front and back means the lady shouldn't be able to fall off the guy's frame, and unless the guy falls over or overbalances, it should be pretty safe. So you could do this with the lady just keeping her feet together and just doing a straight lean, which is what you see a lot of. Or you could, for instance, draw the outside leg up to get a pleasant leg line, but the step over is your safe one. Okay, and it looks nice as well. So let's break it down with some numbers. We'll do it from the other side this time. So we go back, two hands on 1, in and flat 2, send the lady out 3, we go round 4 and wrap, preparation 5, picking up the hand. We get the lean 6 and up 7, preparation 8, return spin 1 and catch 2. We'll come back to this side for you. Let's have a go. 5, a 6, a Wurlitzer Lean. We go a back, flat, prep, over the top, and wrap, over, up, prep, spin, and catch. And that is that. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out, and you'll help promote the channel as well. So much appreciated, everybody who does that. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to, and we'll see you next time. Once more, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.